Alright, what up, Guap Nation? So today we're reviewing a 2018 Dodge Challenger RT Skat Pack. It's got the 6.4 liter V8, 485 available horsepower. It's got the 4-piston Brembo brakes. It's got the performance tires, the all-season ones. It has backup camera, lane keep assist, forward collision warnings. It has a lot of options, so it's not like everybody else's. It has a sunroof, it has the technology package. So that comes with the backup camera. I think all of them do come with a backup camera. It's got the parking sensors right here. This thing sounds mean. Trust me, when you hear the cold start, you're gonna hear it. It's loud. So it has the Harman Kardon sound system, has the leather interior group, costs $795. $52,155 for all the options included. The dealer is asking $55,150. It has high intensity headlamps with blind spot and rear cross path detection, remote start with the key. It's got 18 speakers with a subwoofer in the back. Stock. That's stock. That comes with the car. It has the 8-speed automatic torque flight transmission like the rest of the Charger and Challenger lineup. It all has that transmission. So let's go ahead and hit the interior. You got the heated mirrors, so when all the windows are frosted over, it heats it up right here. You got a heated steering wheel. You got heated seats in the front and ventilated. You got the 8.4-inch Uconnect system. Alright, we're gonna go inside so you can hear me a little bit better. It's kind of loud right now. Alright, so we're inside. As you can see, we got a leather wrapped steering wheel. We got paddle shifters right here. They're not the SRT ones, but we got lane keep assist right here. All your steering wheel controls. It's very handy. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel at all. You can answer your phone calls, but you can control your menus right here. Your 0 to 60 times, your performance pages, vehicle info, speedometer. It's all digital. You don't even have to take your hands off the steering wheel at all. So you go up, you got your messages, audio, trip info, your gas mileage, average, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. As you can choose all this stuff right here. Alright, right here we got an 8-speed automatic transmission. This new gear shifter is really nice. It's got this leather wrap around it. Right here you got your sport mode, your super track pack, your parking sensors, traction control. You can turn off your screen. Here's your hazards, your mute button, your AC controls right here. They're separate from it. So you got your front defrosters and rear defrosters. Your dual zone climate control. Here you can bring the gear shifter all the way down, slap it over to the left, and then you can either use this, go down to shift up and up to shift down, or you could also use these paddle shifters, which I would suggest more. Alright, right here on the back of the steering wheel, you might not be able to see it, but here's your volume controls. This is your map, your navigation, and all that. You type your destination right here at the top, and then here's your phone. You can add your contacts, call them right here through the button on the steering wheel. Here's your Sirius XM. It comes with, I believe, 5 years. Here's your media. Here is where you can see what song is playing, aux, USB, or Bluetooth. Here's your climate. Like I said, it's right here too. The mirror has a few features on it as well. If you need assistance on the road, you crash, if you get broke down on the side of the road, which Dodge won't let you break down, but in case you get in an accident or like you stranded, you run out of gas, because that could happen for sure, you press SO. Actually, don't do that. Alright, so don't press the SOS button. So right here you got your little cubby right here. You got your aux cord, your USB, and your aux. You also have a 12-volt charger right here. We got the two-tone leather Alcantara seats with the Skat Pack stitching on it. I'm gonna get back there in a second, and then we're gonna do a cold start and show you guys how it sounds when it's cold, not been started for a while. Let me hop in the back so you guys can see the space in the back. Alright, so headroom, not a worry, not a problem. Maybe if you're a little bit taller than me, I'm 5'11". So if you're like 6 foot, 6'2" or something, you might have a struggle with the headroom. But this room right here, I'm like, kind of like my knees are touching. I'm sitting behind the seat that I was just in. I already adjusted my seat and all that. So this would be like, look at them low handles, you be rubbing off on that. Alright, so we got the speakers right here. You got the subwoofer behind you in the trunk. It's padded against the wall. Anyways, alright, so you got vents back here. It's kind of hot. Can you turn it on? You got some vanity lights right here. Not very much to offer for the back seats except for the cup holder. These back seats fold down. You can have full access to the trunk. I'm not really sure how this works, but they fold down. It's not the best for like long road trips, but to get around the city, just to have fun, should be alright. I'm kind of taller, I have longer legs, so Yeah, you got your seatbelts right here, because you're gonna need to. You better buckle up before I get a ticket. Alright. Alright, so to fold this seat down to get out, which you might have a hell of a time doing, you pull this little thing on the side, on the left side, there's a little trigger. You can pull that thing and then reach all up in here and then get out. You're good. And then that way you gotta stick your little legs out. You gotta grab the rope. Oh man. Get back inside. You got grease on your fingers. So let's go ahead and jump to the cold start. I hope you guys enjoyed this interior review. It was a little bit different. It was more of my personality. Go ahead and hit that cold start. We'll see you on the back. You like this video. This review is going to be over in a little bit. We're going to end the video. Hope you guys like that. I added a little bit of personality to that. I'll put my Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, all of that in the description. His too. The other video, I'll put the link in there. Yes, let me know if you guys want to see any more of these. We'll for sure try to do as many more as we possibly can. Any of these cars you want us to review, we will do it. And I'm out. Peace.